everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching Fridays and Fish Tales. I am Tulna and in today's video I am going to show you how you can do a Dutch braid on your hair. So let's get into the video.
Take section from the front of your head and divide it into 3 sections. Now take the left section and braid it under the middle section. Take the right section and braid it under the middle section. Now take the left section, braid it under the middle section and add another section of hair to the middle strand before adding the right strand. Now take the right strand and braid it under the middle section. Add another section of hair to the middle section. All you have to do is take the left section, braid it under the middle section, then add another section of hair to the middle section. Now take the right section, braid it under the middle section and add hair to it. All you have to do is braid under, add hair, then braid under. Left strand, braid under, add hair, then right strand, braid under, add hair. When you braid the strands under each other while adding hair to it from the sides, it's a Dutch braid.
This video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press the bell icon so you get notified every time I post my hair tutorial.